우리를 다시 불러와 어느 곳에 있어도 그 끝은 항상 너인걸. Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려온 너는 봄이야. Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you.
Ay, parang familiar siya. Parang siya yung bago naming kagrupo sa Eugenics.
Eugenics? Subject ko to ngayon ah.
Ay, sorry.
Di ba ikaw yung bago kong kagrupo sa Eugenics?
Group rate?
Tama, ikaw nga. May meeting tayo ngayon sa sa Akasha. Tara?
Ah, sige, tara.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Ito nga pala si Cyrus, yung bago nating ka-group mates.
Ay, sure na ba yun yung transfer?
sure.
Ay guys, time na pala. Tara na?
Tara!
Hello everyone, we are the group Nightingale from Euthenics Nurtures class. Today we just wanted to take a moment to appreciate the incredible effort and dedication shown by every single member of our group. Each of us has contributed equally and it's been truly amazing to see how we've all come together to achieve our goals. I also wanted to extend my heartfelt appreciation for the incredible work and dedication each of us shown since day one. Our commitment and hard work have truly made a difference, and I am deeply grateful for everything we've done. The creativity and innovative ideas have been driving force in our projects. Thank you for always thinking outside the box. The organizational skills and attention to detail have kept us on track. Each enthusiasm and positive attitude have been contagious. Thanks for always keeping the team's spirit high. We also wanted to express our heartfelt gratitude to our instructor for inspiring lectures and guidance in our Eugenics course. Your passion and dedication have significantly enriched our understanding and appreciation of the subject. Thank you for always going the extra mile. Thank you for invaluable support and encouragement. Each of us has the capability to be a leader, and the leadership and ability to coordinate our efforts have been key to our achievements. It's steering us in the right direction. We've accomplished so much together, and it's all because of the collective effort of our amazing team. Here's to many more success and great times ahead. Thank you for your remarkable contributions. Together, we've accomplished something extraordinary, and I am honored to work alongside such an amazing group of people. The communication skills and ability to connect with everyone have strengthened our teamwork. Thanks for being the glue that holds us together. Let's keep pushing forward and continue to support each other. Together, we can achieve anything.